it's kind of diff time, because the other day we showed a diff and yeah, it was just magically in and it was beautiful. But this time I'm actually going to do it. So we've got a lovely Eaton Harrop unit. Now, if you take your diff apart, put some bearings in, put a gear set on, a carrier, you can actually swap out your worn out LSD for something good. So, hot tip, if you buy it in a plain box, it's probably made in China. But if you buy your True Track, in a coloured box, like that one over there, you're going to buy something good. They're made in Taiwan. They actually say it as well. So we've just got a basic little tool here. We're just tightening the side adjusters. And yeah, I mean, it's not that hard. Or is it? Well, you be the judge. Give it a go. And you know, you can always buy a complete. So yeah, the old True Track, torque lock, worm gear. How many names do people give it? They give it lots. At the end of the day, the LSD is all right to go to the shops, but if you want to go do some track days, or you've got a dedicated car, probably should have a spool on it then. Buy a full spool, don't even bother with it, you know, welding it, because it'll break and it'll ruin your track day. So if you want to party. One True Track in a car. Next thing, you got to check backlash, and well, you can hear the backlash, and you got to put a pattern on it. We currently have some gear marking paste, and we've got a dial indicator. Why we've got a dial indicator? Why we've got paste? Well, we need to check the backlash. It needs to be within spec, and we also need to pattern the gear. So we need to rotate it both ways and see what happens. Look, oh, it's on the bottom side. So that's one. Now let's go the other way. And then once you've got good backlash and good pattern, you can put the thing back together. Diff, yeah? And we're keeping it simple. I wasn't going to record this because sometimes this job can be very interesting. But check that out. I just spun it the other way. We literally just stopped recording going, hey, guess what? We'll catch you next week. And bam, we went the other way. We got beautiful pattern there. We got beautiful pattern there. We got nice backlash. Ah, we're still here. We better put some shafts in. Next time, we're not live on Saturdays, but we are putting up a vid. So come check it out. Coming up next, we're not going to be doing this